Yeah, mamo akwa baba all about Jesus Media program is so comfort odro bidiakon. All about Jesus Media, yembo type pa say ye beboa Ghana for ewo relationship emu. Ye release yen videos no ewo YouTube any Facebook every month. Na aware bone ekum ema self-respect. Aware bebre ene shase very very strong. Nanso enche kura na sa aware no na break it down na yen question ne say ada na aware shase kama no enche kura na sa awade egu. One of the reasons ene say yen ti yen hukafo no no ase enipa ye ware won no yenim se ne enipa no kura etie. Nanso senka yeti ya hukafo no ase a enke beboa pa ama aware no atumi aye successful. Awreho samba ko pa ne se emema bebre enti se ne ema eye wo mo ade efa na ene ye presentation no ebeboa ama emema ate ema ase ene yen topic ne say impact of women's self-respect on marriage. Na ene minimiku Dr. Odro Bediakon wa bin ewo awarisem ena eba betwetwe enkomwe. Stay tuned and enjoy. Doctor, eye manije pa se ene ye treat sa topic eye low self respect eye problem a ha ema pa ewo aware mu na se ema enya sa low self respect na ema wo mo abusua ya affect wo mo abusua se ne ema eye wo ma de wo fie ni nyina no affect wo na masam ne se emema bebre ekase omunim se ne ema eye wo ma de fa na so doctor enti sa emema nti ema se ne ye ya de ase efa na me pese me bisa wo se senkra ena ema eye different from emema me pese wo kire yen se ne ema ye different from emema ase ende
yo abushana for biologically no emema ye different from ema senia wo kan ye no na what differences e what gender no a eboa ma couples ete wo mo ho ase ne etia ne se oba ne bema every cell ewo mu no genetically ye niema ema oba ye different no bema ye different
okay
genetically no different from obani bema.
Yes, yeah. Where the interesting. Na Dr. Mi bisa say bibi pa wo ho a wo pese emema pay attention to ewo yen komo twetwe yi mu ana.
And in some way nyina na me kan dey atwem adwen dey say. So na thank you for asking. Ni atia ni say ema menstruate.
Yeah.
Ema nyem.
Yes.
Ema lactation just wo mo manufuo.
Yeah.
Sa niema we me say no affect my behavior any wo emotion.
Okay.
Research wo mo ye wo suicide any pe ku wo ho ehun say 40 to 60% wo ma mu no na wo mo committee niema sa no na wo mo menstruate.
Oh boy, yeah.
And wo mo they took their own lives.
Yeah.
Neuroscientist David Levy.
Okay.
Ehun said David Levy said the depth and intensity of maternal instinct. Oba tan kra sania unya instinct wo ne ba ho ka say we be si e wa kola no fa be say no kra no. Or say associated with the duration and amount of the menstrual flow.
Okay.
So say ne moja guno dodo and the time moja ni guno kra no. It may affect maternal instinct. Send your bar no dream yama.
Okay. Okay.
Enti important say obema.
Yeah.
Ebeti oba se titru.
Yes.
The menstruation.
Okay.
Obema beti asiye say a change oba behavior big time.
Yes.
Oba bia wutie me bia woni me American.
Now mood as.
Na studies of behavioral change.
Yeah.
Ama ye hu say portions of women's crime, no, a larger portion, no, occurred just prior to the onset of menstruation. A man ye basabasa, do to one or be bune sano, sometime na dear no, eba.
Okay.
It menstruation, it been suicide, it been accident. Na, woman who crass it, there's a decline of academic attainment,
Okay.
Anything as a man, you are no school. Usi onima de ma de pa.
Yeah.
Yes, you onima de. Oba every period cycle bia no obunensa.
Yeah.
Nti cycle no be ba na ne ho yira no. Nti adesua no kra na dwen ni so. There's a decline in the quality of academic attainment.
Yeah.
If I say me ma motivate ase. In fact, intelligence test scores.
Yeah.
Visual clarity sani oba hu ade na onipa bi hu ade clear. Any response speed sani asem ye kan na dwen koso prekope no.
Okay.
Ninyina are affected big time by their menstruation.
Okay.
It's a menstruation problem. No?
Yeah.
It may cause even absenteeism. Or to one any referee.
Okay.
What them say America yearly it costs more than $5 billion, $5 million annually. One of the year sani may ehunajuma.
Oh, okay.
And domestic quarrels it costs no.
Yeah.
Research let's say a fan a menstruation and a genetic.
Okay. As some na wo kan near meti ase pa ne say emema ene emma two different sexes. Na yenwi the same. Sa na opasa wo kira na.
Right. Sure. Sa na mkire.
Okay.
Na trouble no.
Yeah.
Sama ye kan nyina ha ne gina.
Yeah.
Trouble no sha ase. Ebra sex ni mienu ye dogmatic in their thinking. Me can dogmatic. We see na dream piece say no odwen.
Sa na e wo
say or you're right.
Okay.
Asem ni nyina no.
Yeah.
Oba no feel so you're right. Obema no feel say oh you're right. Aware mu ha nyina kese no no.
Okay.
Na eno na it has relationship with differences a one term no.
Yo. Ene na mama misa say saying na society nso epre Europa ewo ema sene ema ehu wo mo ho efa ewo society.
That's a good question. What him say? And check crown ema researchers started studies ewo ma ho. Kan no na you pay attention to ma.
Okay.
Because you feel say ma personality no ni nyina ye pe. Obi great to make us a man nyina agim. So ema dey sa. Researchers have not focused on female personality until recently.
Okay.
Now, as a result of this ignorance, many men say a complicated mixture of conflict. Worry about what trouble. And I say unrealistic. Unrealistic. And I say illogical needs are difficult and are sometimes impossible to supply. Into your body, only to wadremo, none biara. But it's not true.
Appear say Emma, ye look complicated. Now, so, doctor, Emma, a difference, yes, and ye operating, a different from Emma. Now, Emma, send ye live life or no, ye live your life wo different angle from Emma.
Yeah, you are right.
Yes.
What can two strong points say? Emma operate on a different wavelength than men do.
Yeah.
And Emma approaches life from another angle.
Yes.
This is the thing. Obia can say, once a while, no, there may be a flash into what makes the wife tick.
Okay.
Yeah, man, once a while, no, I deal with to me, my wife here take pa. But only Pakone say, just as he's pondering over it, no,
okay.
No, before Frabi, Tina Mema say, my complicated. You say you went check Rafi, what was a
complicated. You. Afeya, watch it. a man and mema differences are a way in temu. Me pese ye kafa a ma here ye hear self-respect. Me pese e no so no wo ka ho asem sania a man ehia say ye nya yen self-respect.
Okay, asem papa.
Yeah.
Dr. James Dobson.
Okay.
Or a big time relationship expert.
Okay.
Na or a survey. Na survey muno. Eno who say. Na ni survey no or the sources of depression in women.
Okay.
Sani ma depression to ma kwan ben so na deba.
Yeah.
Na onim say. Ne research muno. Ono who say low self-esteem is the most troubling problem.
Okay.
Okay. Enti asema ye kan busuafo ehia pa o ba tie nie o yo be ma tie nie bi say the cancer mo.
Yeah.
Na ne tie ne so ohun say. Ase e ma kra wo me healthy.
Yes.
No me young.
Yeah.
No me married kra no. Once healthy o ba ye young no ye healthy de kan oni how.
Yeah, ko ni how, yeah.
One po kra no ohun say personal inferiority.
Okay.
Any self-doubt hurt wo mo pa.
Oh yeah.
Much less say self-respect, you know.
Yes.
A hard dream pa.
Oh yeah. Then it is
Okay. Ain't what every society mo.
Yeah.
Why won't say ma sani ayi hu a ma role. And yema is say ma ye.
Yeah.
No. Ye catch yen say oba de ne place any fear. Ni oba ese oba tena na wo society bi am kro wo.
Yes.
But oba place is the home and I say homemaking.
Yeah.
Na your man say they are worthless.
Bra wo homemaking.
Sa America kra de oba ekwa adwuma ne sika kra etua no kra no. E lower e chimbe ma de.
Yeah.
And for some reason no.
Yeah.
Society measure a woman's self-worth only in terms of a financial asset to the family.
Okay.
And as any contribution to the business world.
Yeah.
Ain't in a cent, you know. As I say, a pim hammer, radio, television, magazine, newspaper, movies, any idea in there can once empty. A man one casa begin, it has self-fulfilling prophecy.
Yeah.
A man one casa begin to assume, say, onye ubia.
Yeah.
Especially so onye newspaper reporter me mention bi keke. Onye physician, doctor, and onye police woman, and also onye super bionic woman bia no onye fe.
Enie niemi hu ne say society ema a titiru kra ne ye homemaking no. E look like say ema no ho eni emfaso. But ensese basa because doctor homemaking say wo tifie ye fie adwuma hwe nkwada ye yi no eye adwuma eye 24/7 adwuma enti sese ye busa ma no animutia
yeah enti baby te say Ghana nom ne ade no a ho de ekromo ho de oba no oni adwuma bia ye oba ma no koba o se wo ho faso wo ne say onim se tani an wo kan homemaking no eye adwuma kese a aha eno no bi ye
yeah
am you to yanika
yeah
it is well said na ni woman say obatan a mother the lack of self-respect affected the way he makes the home in many ways it may be chirichire mo ye di kan no or the money collar or passing it on to the children
so no tire
and chakra na collar na hu say oh mama kra we need self-respect for herself it woman mu ni bi na omo so yes a woman mu no now unconsciously na collar pick it up this tendencies na omo so omunya negative self-respect ama omo enti emma woman need self-respect no ya na woman man so any self-respect impossible for a mother with a poor self-esteem to pass on to the children a healthy concept of themselves
because
onibi unless say obi tiemi ba unless oba ne na ma no ni papa bi onipa bi a ono so was good self image e ba na kwam
okay
nti so onipa ko no ba na kwam say oba no aware doctor bi nkakra na afi de obi hu say ne life was sisa na afi de onya self-respect.
Okay.
And yes, sir, they will always lack in this area.
Okay.
Near to some, you know, say,
yeah.
So low self-concept, yeah, you can answer.
Yeah.
It affect your bar no femininity. Make a femininity, ne bar ye. Sunny or tears, yes, or your bar.
Yeah.
Now, you woman say, without a positive feeling about Oba or no one self, Oba will most likely not enjoy even being a woman. Ain't in my Pierre Tessano, as I say, negative attitude ever.
Yeah.
And now I think Tembiano soon, I want a life for one Akuma Muse, and Radia money. Not Tembiano complain endlessly.
Yeah.
Not or fight it against, say, Obi because of adapting a home to the husband.
Yeah.
One him say, am I be cry no sano? Psychologically, no.
Yeah.
Affect you. Now, near Tiani say, until we can love others until we love ourselves. Say, you bet me and dobi, I say, who bet me and dobi here? That's how we do.
Yes.
That's how we do.
Yes.
Now, we can love our husbands only in direct proportion to how well we feel about ourselves. And into women's self-respect, near to some years, and say, some negative feelings, you know, affect your bar sex life.
Okay.
Big
course,
time.
Yeah.
So, Oba, negative feeling about herself.
Yeah.
There be on person you look. On person you look. Ain't ni kunkra ye sexual advances towards her crana. Ebi ana ye complicated a man who senia or be respond. Sama no.
Yeah.
O sha atade a ne kombi sini ha or the other. Sama no. O sha atade yun tin no the other no went to be anyi ne ho. Bi okwa trousers. Sama no. O sha night gown tin no the other. But I say they do this in an effort to hide what they consider a disgusting body. On one for anybody no you disgusting. Some man no most of them on any kun fear or person or run home or go bathroom. No, I call run home or changing home. Na one da or pesum. Also can you be on the body. Sanya man you know calculated attempt to forget say our woman's body.
Low self-respect.
Near to some man say low self-respect. It may affecting the homemaking ability.
Okay.
Especially so bana ko college so obi a wako college no sa eniema na mekeka di kan se society bombard ni nyina no wate ase enti ono anka sakra no o sha ase belittle homemaking e wo na dream because of you awura enti sa ma no no on da bia no ni kunti restaurant no mo kodidi on pese obe no aduane na wa ye mobo so
okay
enti o yesa o belittle ne hunti no onye sa
onye Anye na kire say onipa a wote saa no emma ono akura no ne fie adeye wo se wo ye no tambia no wo ye behind because onye ntum say wo se eya ade wo se wo ye nti emma ne ye behind na ohun say eye painful pa say ade anka wo se utumi ye nenso so no wa guilty bi say wo ye saa enye papa nti no untumi nye doctor nya saa na wo pesa o chi
abusan for video fa komo bia no ntie bi na ye the quality marriage teachings and a brem now can you true sense wa ko school nti no obu efi adwuma sa animtia nti tem bia na ne na pile woni so na tem bia na o guilty feeling e woni mu e very painful nti what can you pa obi okra obetumi a scrabble ni fie no why hoof clean all day na wama ni fie I is spotless now so no feel satisfied with the effort because of course say ni awo ye no kra no ehu ni mfa so obeba be ma no so be fia na de no why na pingwe da hard na da ha and so the whole day no ye fie adwuma because obema ni hu say oye omani hu say oye worthless na your next teachings no you better mema dear so you better mema self-worth so ain't Ebasa she exhausts herself in pursuing endless tasks ni nyina no in an effort to prove say she has some worth so now sanya uhu no women need respect from their husband
of course
you know for the way she meets her daily responsibilities we your bema say me say as I said me ma wo self esteem no e ya kese na to me represent me e ti ada na no yiri wo fie na life the economy no
of course
na the own crofo yiri ma ubu wom na wo yiri de wo mu no wo fie na wo ye ne say ukum ne honhom osi abonten kro ntumi mu na no nkasa obema nse say o yesa e say o ma wo yiri self respect
what's more wo kan e kire say
yeah
e ma wo mu ewo qualification a wo mu te say wo ye doctor wo ye lawyer wo mu de na che say wo mu wo self respect
yeah wo mu to be nyapa
na me pese me bisa wo say ma wo mu ye homemaking ti say ma wo mu de wo mu no mu tifie ahafo wo mu friend say stay home mother wono no wo hwe nkwala no wo ye fie ne ema ne nyina no ebe ye den na sa ma yi nso no atumi ageni self respect me pese me bisa say ma no wo kwa be no mo mfa so engeni self respect.
Okay, that's a good question.
Yeah,
I wish I was generally no ma again respect.
Yeah,
through say oya adwuma bi ne promote no.
Okay.
Ya man a pay raise.
Yes.
Ya to na ketu.
Yeah.
Annual evaluation. Ne abona baso. Ya man a bonus.
Yeah.
And obi a prison or house a shout out.
Okay.
Obi a prison.
Yeah.
But a homemaker there, only obia sani awoka no.
Yeah.
Only obia obetumi amana sa encouragement no. Aje ni kumpe.
Yes.
Aje ni kumpe.
Yeah.
And the unhappiest women in the world are those who must drag through all day after weary day or with no understanding from the husband what it takes to run the home and to raise responsible children. A man names Adie. Say, now name baby. And Colaba responsible at Nifi Mano.
Of course.
A man at Colano. Obama, we want you to know, say, the researcher said there is a certain bond between Obani Bem and Akolano. In Jacolano, Shani Mame more.
Yeah.
Into money, who do self respect now. It's in America, said, Oba or your homemaking, and a housewife. What's your friend say at home?
Stay home, mom. Yeah.
Stay at home, mom. Safono. On your baby, I just said Nikun and Kwa and a manner self respect. Into Mama. In a year, Candiaku Sine said, Bois. Nama we yere self respect. Oba wona oni ni tifi oni ni ye bibia no.
Yeah.
So who do self respect ha no.
Until the whole family. Now be man no kra so no. E become. Yes.
E become.
Yeah. Yo abusiafo ye the presentation no e besi hanomo. Na ne ye kan se wutie video yi a share. Se won subscribe o ya subscribe na ring bell no na time bia ye de yen program no ba beto so no wonsa etumi aka. God bless you.
God bless you, Soft Mommy.
God bless you too.